never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, need to hear that voice. Cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go. Go on thinking about those secrets true. I would never bet the world that I would find anyone like you. Waking up this morning, the last thing I thought I'd be thinking about would be you. I opened up the blinds and saw your hair tie on my windowsill. Not gonna lie, haven't talked to you in a while. What if I just hit you up? Would it still feel the same? What if I hit you up? Said I was coming to your place. Driving till midnight just to turn around. Wish I knew where I was going now. Cause I'm not the same that I used to be. But some things don't change. Yeah, some things don't change. Bet you're just as fly as you were that night that we both got high on you. We tear us apart. Like nothing can tear us apart. I knew the minute I saw you standing there in line, it had to be fake. So in your phone you didn't notice me till I came and said I know that it's been a long time, but it's crazy cause I just thought of you the other day. Never takes long with us. Following you back to your place. Feels like we're right where we left off, but now I'll make sure this time I make it count. Cause we're not the same as used to be. But some things don't change. Yeah, some things don't change. Just as fly as you were that night that we both got high on the bleachers and fell in love. At times we looked at the stars, nothing can tear us apart.